As you upgrade from zSpace Classic to zSpace 2019 on your all-in-one, use the EDU Server Activity Exporter tool to keep previously created activities for future use. This tool quickly exports those activities out of the EDU server or teacher dashboard and saves them on your computer to use again within the newer zSpace 2019 applications. How do I know if I need this activity exporter tool? If the following applies to you, you're going to want to pull your custom-built activities from the EDU server, also called the teacher dashboard. Did you log into a zSpace application with your username and password? Create an activity using Activity Builder? Save your activity in My Saves? Important note, this tool is not needed if you use the following login credentials. If you have logged in using the above username admin and password Copernicus, your activity files are already saved to the computer and do not need to be exported out of the EDU server or teacher dashboard. Steps. Before you get started, make sure you are seated at the teacher zSpace system that hosts the EDU server or teacher dashboard. If you are unsure, see more information on our EDU server and teacher dashboard info article on our support page. Now get ready to export those activities. This action will take just a few minutes. First, locate the teacher zSpace system where the EDU server is hosted. Then, download the EDU Server Activity Exporter tool onto that zSpace unit. This download is found on the zSpace download page on our website. Launch the activityexporter.exe file to open the zSpace EDU Server Exporter tool. Select either Group by User or Group by Application. And now, select Export All. This will take just a few minutes. When complete, close the Activity Exporter tool. Now, find your newly exported activities located in this folder. To open and view your activity file, either double-click on the activity file or open the activity within the zSpace application. Note: in zSpace Studio, some of those models might have shifted in the conversion and adjustments might be necessary. Here are the steps for readjusting those models in your activity. Open desired activity file in zSpace Studio. If the models have shifted, press Shift-R on your keyboard to auto-arrange models within the scene. Open Activity Builder and start with the first question. Position your models how you would like. Attach the scene and save. Repeat with each question. And save when finished. If you have additional questions, visit our support page or contact our support team at support@zspace.com.